Senators koro yuago medruok mar kwan nyamburko mag sirikand counties ma ochung' ma ok ringi kendo manyuolo penjo ewi garama ma nyamburko oketo ne agulu mag county go. Wach mamoko kuom senators osiemo bang' senator ma Kisumu Professor Tom Ojienda pedho penjo mageto duoko kowuok kuom sirikand county ma Kisumu ewi kwan nyamburko ma sani koro ochung' e log tich ma sirikand county ma Kisumu kendo ok ringi. Senator ma Kitui bende okwamo osiro penjo no kowacho ni od buch Senate owinjore okadh twak ewi okang' mowinjore kaw ewi nyamburko ma okethore mondo geng' mibadhi ma itimo kodgi e county.
Mr. Speaker, a review of the Kisumu County Executive Fleet shows that numerous defective and unserviceable vehicles and machinery have remained grounded in parking yards for long periods without disposal, contrary to the Public Procurement and Asset Disposal Act 2015 and its regulations. The county government has also failed to establish a disposal committee or prepare an annual disposal plan for unserviceable, surplus, or obsolete assets. In the statement, the committee should address the following: 1. The reasons why defective and unserviceable motor vehicles and machinery have remained grounded in the county executive's parking yards for prolonged periods without being disposed of in accordance with Public Procurement and Disposal Act 2015.
Madam Speaker, in fact, the matter has become so serious that in some counties you will find there are more grounded vehicles than the ones that are serviceable. What happens is that you find a motor vehicle as just a battery that has gone flat or a tire that has burst. But it is parked in the parking yard waiting for money to be availed to buy a battery or replace a tire. 1 year down the line, that vehicle is still there. 2 years down the line, it is still there. Then it is vandalized. It becomes a breeding ground, Madam Speaker, for rodents. But the county government still continue to take insurance covers and fuel those vehicles. Madam Speaker, this Senate must address itself that matter and pass a resolution on how to deal with these broken down vehicles and other movable assets in the county government.
Kaingo juma makende mar kit oganda mopogore tend county ma Siaya osingo marito bungu mar god Ramogi mar medo kwand welo malimo Siaya.